So we're moving, and we are giving this pool table to our niece. So we're going to tell you and show you how easy it is to disassemble a pool table so you're able to move it easily. So the first thing you want to do is remove the bumpers. And they have huge bolts going through. So that's the first thing we're going to do. We're going to go around the table and remove each bumper on both sides. So here we are, we've got the first one out. We're just working our way all the way around, getting all the bolts out. We have all the bolts out. So now the bumpers are loose, as you can see. So now we have to take out the fasteners from one side so that we can lift off the bumper. So the fastener is very simple to take out. All we did was put a screwdriver here and wedge it right off. So just do that all the way around. Okay, once you have all the fasteners off, very simple. You just pull it apart and lift this right up. So it's off. Wow, look at the color difference. That's what the sun does. So we're gonna do that all the way around. Okay, again, once the basket is loosened or removed, the bolts are removed, it holds on the bumpers. You just lift it right up. As you can see, it comes right up. Okay, so Zoe helped me, and there's the first bumper. And again, all we did was detach the basket and take the bolts out. And that's it, we're gonna work our way all the way around. Okay, all the baskets are detached, all the bolts are out, so now we're just pulling it away, like so. Okay, so the rails are off. And by the way, I don't know the technical name for these things, I just know how to take them apart. But we're down to the felt. So now we're gonna either rip it off or gently take it off. I don't think it should be reused because it's kind of had a lot of wear. But there, everything is detached. Okay, so we're still working our way around. We're taking all the staples off and lifting up the felt. And it's a little tedious just getting the staples out, but it's very easy to lift once you do that. So, show you, be back in 1 minute. Okay, we're still working. Taking the felt off. Okay, so this is how it's folded over here. We have these little pieces in the corners, and this piece just wraps right up in the middle, as you can see. Just in case you need to put this back on again. Just wraps right around, just like that. All right, so far we've taken all the bolts out. We have taken all the basket cups out, and we took all the fasteners out. These two pieces wrap around these side pockets. Okay, so now we're about to just pull up the felt paper, and we're gonna roll it. You can see it's like lightly glued down. You just give it a little tug. So we're gonna roll it up right now. And you can see it comes right off the slate very easily. You just roll it back. Be careful of your bolt holes so it doesn't rip your felt if you're going to try to reuse it. Just like that. Voila. Easy peasy. So this is a 3 slate. As you can see, we're going to be unfastening the slate. Taking the screws out of the slate. It's a thick, heavy slate though. Okay, so one little thought is, if you do reuse the felt, the other side is not all discolored from the sun. So you might want to just flip it over and reuse the back. And just so you know, it's really just glued along the edges. The middle is not glued. So just around the perimeter, the felt is glued down to it. And there it is. We're down to our slab. You can see where the glue lines are, just around the perimeter. Okay, the next step is to pull the wax, or whatever that substance is, off of the top. what I did is just use a screwdriver and just peel it away like that. Once you peel it away, you're going to come down to the screw and then just take that piece, screw off, and do it all the way around. So there you can see I took all the wax substance out, and we're just going to unscrew it. Okay, after you take all the screws out, I labeled it, just saying what the top piece is, 1, 2, 3, and then the wood is attached to the slate. And you just lift it right off, just like that. Some of the screws were tight, so we had to use a little woman power. So I can tell you, even one slate is heavy. So this would have been really a challenge to lift. So we're just stacking these up now with cushions. And you can see in various places where the shims are. So aside from the shim, there's also the support piece in the middle. Okay, down to the last slate. Okay, the slate screws all came out easily except for this last humper. But anyway, the last one's out now. Okay, all the slate's off. I just wanted to tell you that this piece was under number 3. This piece should be able to, we can undo these bolts, but it's pretty easy just to move it like this.